Today on 828AF, we put a JLT and a Bama race tune in the Roush. Oh, and we raced the Challenger.
So stay tuned, because today on 828AF, Jeff finally digs deep enough in his purse to find his man card, and we go to Mexico for some racing.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Yo, some gushers in the crusher. Now that's a head buster. Yeah, she bad, but I don't trust her. Probably think I'm gon' cuff her, but I ain't no lover boy. All these girls love the boy. Shout out to my Uncle Troy, he bout to have another boy. So enjoy just being around.
What's going on? Yep. Oh, her? You want to know about her? Well, I'm glad you asked. I call her the Quicksilver Thriller. It's been told to me that she has the horsepower of 14 tornadoes and 7 hurricanes. Yeah, that's right. She rode 2 wheelies and tried to take flight just on the way here. Does it sound crazy? Well, it kind of is, because everything you heard in the last 15 seconds is nonsense. The truth is, this is my 2014 Roush Stage 2 Mustang, of course. What's different between a Roush Stage 2 and your regular 5.0 Mustang? To be honest, not a lot. Some ground effects, wheels, some suspension. As far as under the hood, well, why don't we just go ahead and take a look? As you can see here, there's not much difference between the engine you see under the hood of this girl and what you're going to see under your regular 5.0 Mustang. What you do see is a little different than a stock 5.0 Mustang is this JLT Cold Air Intake, which you're going to see a lot about later on in this video.
Alright, it's a moment of truth. Jeremy's been wanting the old Dodge for a while now, so he's getting his programmer and stuff put on here tonight. I've stalled him as long as I can, so I guess it's put up or shut up time. We're going to take these 2 girls to Mexico. See what we can get done out here. Hopefully I can get the jump on him and get around him here. At least we'll be a close race. Really close. Let's see.
Took my heart and made it bleed. I gave you all my ecstasy. I know you'll be the death of me. Left lipstick on my Hennessy. Felt like you took my soul from me. You gave me all your ecstasy. I thought that we were meant to
Go ahead.
Three Hawks. Well, we got him pretty close there. I hope the video shows it good. I bogged it a little bit in the first there taking off. We didn't really discuss who was going to do the horn honk, and I wasn't ready for it. But he got me a little bit on the jump, and I
So, what'd you think about that, buddy? Well, I think I just got my ass whooped, is what I think. That's alright, we're gonna go throw this programmer on and we're gonna see what happens now. That's right. Gonna cold air intake this baby and see what it'll do then. Yep, round 2 coming soon. Alright guys, well, we're fixing to put, well first, it's been about 30 minutes since I got outran, and I figured we can't have that. I can't be outran, so we are in the process of putting cold air intake and tune on my car. So right now that's what we're doing. Well, getting some of this stuff out of the way to make room for the aftermarket goodies. Hopefully the lighting on this video don't suck, but the lighting in here does, so it probably will. We're going to do a JLT Cold Air Intake with a 93 Bama Tune.
JLT and a Bama race tune in the Roush. Oh, and we raced the Challenger, and I gapped him.